Hi guys, I'm back with the Gel Polish Mini. So we're going to go ahead and get into it. So Nail Reserve sent me over some polishes from a certain collection. So the first color is Pillow Thoughts, which is, it pulls brown to me on camera. The site says burgundy. I do not see a burgundy color in sight here. The next color is On Fire. This is a pink shade with a mauve undertone. Really pretty. And the next color coming up, I think I'm saying this correctly, I'm not sure, Tudo Benet or Tudo Bean. This is a vibrant purple, really vibrant, really pretty purple. I think that's a good year-round color. Look at this, just popping, almost neon to me. And the last color in the collection is Before the Sun, which is a really deep plum shade. And so these four colors are from Nail Reserve's The Holiday Hues collection. So thank you to Nail Reserve for sending me these polishes to feature on my channel. Just four colors in the collection. And so guys, we're going to get into this application. I do have on Holo Taco Pilly Base on top of my builder gel. I've applied one coat of Nail Reserve's The Base Gel Polish and cured for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. So the two colors that I'm using is Pillow Thoughts from the Holiday Hues collection and Caramel that I already had. So I'm just applying one thin coat of polish to all of my nails, and then I'm going to cure in my LED lamp, and then I'll go in for a second thin coat of color and cure as well. But before I go, Nail Reserve does have a VIP membership program. You pay $29 a month and you receive a $29 credit. This allows you to purchase the polishes at a 50% off discount all the time while you are a VIP member. It also provides you with free shipping along with access to early collections. They do release a collection every month. And so if not, then I do have a discount code. And so with the discount code, it's Curly Crite, that you save 50% off of 2 or more gel polishes. And you select the pay as you go option upon checkout. And so with the second coat, I did notice on my middle finger that it was bulky, or it didn't cure all the way for whatever reason. I guess I didn't apply the polish as thin as I thought I did. So I end up popping that off, and off camera just reapplying the brown to my middle finger. So that's one of the beauties of using peel off base coat. I didn't have to foul it off or anything like that. I just popped it right on off. So here are my nails after the second coat has been cured. I'm going in with these cute little teddy bear stickers. I don't know if I got these off of Shein or Temu. And I felt like the Pillow Thoughts and Caramel incorporated the colors of both of the bears in that was included in this sticker set. And so I'm just popping off that one big old bear, and I'm gonna put that on my ring finger and smooth that out, or use the end of my nail art tweezers to press that down just so that it lays as flat as possible on the nail. And then I'm going to go in and put a little bear, I think it's kind of laying sideways, on my thumbnail. After I do that, guys, I'm going to apply I don't know if I do a layer base coat on top of the stickers and then do top coat. Not 100% certain, because you guys know I do voiceovers. But look at that. Look, oh, it was an upside down bear. He was turned upside down. It was cute, cute and simple. I didn't add anything extra to the nails. And so as I mentioned, I go in and apply again, I don't know if I did base coat and cured and then apply the no wipe top coat and cured. But needless to say, once your nails have finished curing, you want to make sure you give that a few seconds or minutes to cool off from being cured in the lamp, and you want to go in and apply your favorite cuticle oil. So guys, please like this video if you found value. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It costs you absolutely nothing, so it's free 99. So I appreciate you guys for watching. I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you next time.